Hello guys, this is Standing Historian, and today I have brought you guys the story of Ray Kroc and McDonald's. How Ray Kroc started the McDonald's empire. McDonald, a name recognized around the world with over 40,000 locations spanning the globe. But behind this fast food giant lies a man who transformed a small family run business into a global empire we know today. His name? Ray Kroc. Let's dive into the incredible journey of how he created the McDonald's empire. Ray Kroc wasn't the founder of McDonald's, but he was the visionary who turned a modest restaurant in San Bernardino, California into a multi-billion-dollar empire. It all started in 1954 when Ray Kroc was a struggling milkshake machine salesman. Ray Kroc had been selling a newfangled milkshake machine called Multi-Mixer, but he was struggling to make significant sales. But one day, he received a large order from a small restaurant in California. But this wasn't just any order, it was McDonald's. Richard and Maurice McDonald, the two brothers from small town of Manchester, New Hampshire, had created something special. In 1940, they opened the first McDonald's restaurant in San Bernardino using an innovative system to make the fast food quickly, efficiently, and consistently. They called it Speedy Service System, a true game changer. At this restaurant, everything was designed for efficiency. Burgers cooked in just few minutes, orders prepared in seconds, and the focus was on the quality and speed was unmatched. When Ray Kroc saw the potential in McDonald's brother operations, he was amazed. He knew immediately that he had to be part of it. In 1954, he visited the McDonald's brother and proposed an idea that would change the course of history: franchising. Kroc wasn't interested in just selling milkshake machines. He saw the power of the McDonald's model: fast service, high quality food, and unique customer experience. And he believed that it could spread across the country. After much persuasion, the McDonald's brother agreed to let Kroc open the first McDonald's franchisee in Des Plaines, Illinois. In 1955, it was a success, and Kroc wasted no time in scaling the business. In just few years, McDonald's location popped up all over the United States, but Kroc had bigger plans. He did not just want to franchise, he wanted control. So what did he do? He wanted McDonald's to be consistent across the board, from food to the experience. In 1961, Kroc bought out the McDonald's brother for $2.7 million, a decision that marked the beginning of the McDonald's Corporation as we know it today. Ray Kroc wasn't just a businessman, he was a relentless visionary. His focus was on quality, consistency, and efficiency because the foundation of McDonald's was success. His motto, "The customer is always right." Kroc was a master at marketing and innovation, always thinking about the ways to improve the customer experience, from introducing the iconic golden arches to creating the Ronald McDonald mascot. He had made McDonald's a household name. Under Kroc's leadership, McDonald's became a global phenomenon. He did not just build the restaurant, he built a brand, a culture, and an experience that would redefine the fast food industry forever. Today, McDonald's operates in over 100 countries with millions of customers being served every day. But Ray Kroc's journey wasn't without its challenges. Even as McDonald's soared, Kroc faced constant competition, operational hurdles, and financial risk. But he stayed the course, never wavering in his belief that McDonald's could be the world's leading fast food brand. Ray Kroc's leadership turned McDonald's into more than just a restaurant. It became a symbol of American entrepreneurship, innovation, and success. He was induced into the Business Hall of Fame. He was inducted into the Business Hall of Fame and left a lasting legacy in the fast food industry. Ray Kroc passed away in 1984, but his empire lived on, continuing to grow and adapting to the modern times. The McDonald's brand he helped build is now an integral part of the pop culture, with millions of people enjoying Big Macs, fries, happy meals around the world. Ray Kroc's story is a testament to the power of vision, persistence, and hard work. Without him, McDonald's might have been just a small town restaurant in the desert. But instead, he turned it into a global empire that served millions of people every day. And my friend, that is the story of how Ray Kroc created McDonald's empire. So, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Standing Historian. This is a channel where I will bring you the stories about business moguls, entrepreneurship, and history while standing for you guys. Okay, bye bye from the Standing Historian.